So this video is about the double 10th celebration of Taiwan.
Taiwan celebrates its National Day, also known as Double Tenth Day, to commemorate the uprising of Wuchang Dynasty that led to the formation of the Republic of China in October 10th, 1911. This was the year when they overthrew the Qing Dynasty. And if you're not aware, Republic of China, which is Taiwan, is older than People Republic of China, which was formed in 1949.
After shooting presidential palace, presidential building actually, we are trying to run to Tam Sui. There is a firework there. I'm not sure if we'll be able to make it or not, but we're gonna try, right? Okay, bye. Firework just got over that way. We became a little late because we were shooting President building, but now that the firework has happened, I'm not sure if I've already put the footage out there or I'm gonna put it now, but that's what I got. Tomorrow we have air show and the parade, so I'm getting ready for tomorrow, heading home so that I can have some good sleep, and see you all tomorrow. All right, it's a brand new day, and I'm shooting this Taiwan Nationals Day, the double 10th. This is 101. We are expecting more of the action here only, and that is where we have President building.
I acted a little foolish here. I did not check the timing and I reached way too early and with my wife. So this was more like a time pass.
Alright, now the parade, this air show is kind of started. Flags are going through the helicopter, and I'm gonna see them coming. I'm gonna try to get them in front of 101. Okay, shooting done of parade. Now I have to head to south, which is like 500 kilometer Kaohsiung city. There I'm gonna shoot the firework. It's happening after 20 years, so I'm riding, and probably I'll get some there as well. Now that we are into train, it will take around I don't know, 2.5 hours to reach Kaohsiung, and I'm gonna sleep because I couldn't sleep last night. Yeah, all this blogger life is very new to me and it's challenging. All right, so less than 2 hours journey is done uh, for around 500 kilometer, which is a long time. So this is a fast train, right? Now I'm gonna search for the spot whether I'll make it or not. It's all in the destiny. And now I have to catch the local so that I can reach the spot. I'm gonna shoot the sunset as well. Additionally to that, head over to local. It's crowded. A lot of people have come, I think, from different places of Taiwan and even locals in Kaohsiung. There are so many people here. This escalator is full. Couldn't get into this one. I should wait for the next one. So much crowd. Well, sunset is officially missed. So I'm still hopeful for the firework. I came on time. I just have to scout the location and have to find a place where I can put my tripod and shoot. So many people out here and they are looking at me what I'm doing here because I'm speaking to my camera, of course, which makes me vlogger. I'm still speaking. I shouldn't.
Hey, but I have drone, right? I could still shoot some sunset shots. Well, here they are. For more than an hour, I was scouting the location. I literally crossed the sea. And the sea of people as well. But finally, just got the terrace spot. I paid $100 to one person and he gave me the terrace spot. So let's see.
Hi.
I'm a top floor.
All right. Thank you. Top floor. It's quite dark. Oh, nice. Ooh. Yeah.
There?
Okay. This side.
Yeah, this side.
All right. All right. Thank you so much.
Well, here I did all my setup and used all my gears. And when actually the firework began,
It is wider than I have expected. Wow. Look at that firework. Look at those shells. These are incredible and it is happening at the back also at the same time. So both the side firework is happening here and my gears are kind of lacking to shoot this. Wow, look at that. The drone is also shooting somewhere and firework is happening here. Look at that. is insane. That is insane. That is literally insane.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in
That
10
is literally
seconds.
insane. This is just got over. All right, shoot done, craziness done, traveling done. Now I'm heading back to home. I will reach tomorrow morning. I'm gonna sleep in this bus for some time so that I can start editing. I plan to edit and finish these videos in next 2 days. So if I push this, I really worked hard. That means you have to subscribe and support me. I mean, please, that's a request. It's a motivation. All right, enough said. Thank you so much, guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.